as Congress and its allies have upped the ante against the ongoing SIR exercise, a survey has now revealed that most people believe that the electoral processes in India are absolutely free and fair. And there is a, sting in the tail. The survey has been conducted in a Congress-ruled state and has been published by a Congress government. Now, this survey of knowledge, attitude and practice of citizens was done, in fact, in Karnataka after the 2024 Lok Sabha elections, and its report has now been published by the state's Monitoring and Evaluation Authority under the Department of Planning, Program Monitoring and Statistics. Now, the statewide survey has found that a clear majority of citizens trust electronic voting machines and believe that elections in India are conducted in a free and fair manner. Here are, in fact, some of the key highlights as far as this survey is concerned. It's clearly, many are saying, is a reality check for Rahul Gandhi specifically, who has made vote chori as a narrative in most of the recently concluded elections. Now, there were about 5,100 total respondents in this particular case. It covered around 102 assembly seats, and that is why it is a very important survey. Now, what were the findings of the survey? Now, that's important. 83% of the respondents actually trusted EVMs. This was the result of the survey. 84% believe that elections have been free and fair in the country. So they do trust the electoral process. Now, what does this data really mean? Here are some key takeaways. Now, it's clearly a message for the opposition. More than 80% of Karnataka voters trust the election process, and this is being seen as a big message to the opposition that continues to raise questions on the process of elections in our country. Who continue to doubt the Election Commission as well. Another message is that there is faith in EVM, which is quite high despite opposition's continuous claims of rigging. It's a big jolt to democracy dead, and those who actually continue with their vote chori attacks, those who make this as the poll plank. The democracy is dead in this country. There's constant vote chori that is happening. So it's clearly a message to all of those in the opposition. The Bharatiya Janata Party is now using this particular data to gun for those in the opposition, especially the Congress party, who keep alleging rigging in polls and doubt EVMs. BJP has called the findings, in fact, a slap on the face of the democracy is dead lobby.
Rahul Gandhi's vote chori lie, election commission lie has been fact-checked by his own government in Karnataka. His atom bomb, hydrogen bomb has been diffused by his own government. Today, we are seeing that a survey conducted by the Karnataka state government of Congress party shows that a maximum number of people, majority of the people, over 84%, believe that elections and election commission is free and fair. And they believe that EVMs are working perfectly.
Karnataka Government Planning and Statistics Department had done a survey on 2024 elections. 5,100 people were surveyed in 102 assembly constituencies, out of which everybody, that is 99.9% people, have said that Election Commission does a very appropriate job. There is no electoral rigging, meaning to say that Congress's vote chori claim by Rahul Gandhi is completely a fake narrative, and Congress party sets up those narratives which are factually absolutely on the other side of the corner.
Cornered Congress party, in fact, says the sample size is way too small to make these kind of interpretations to understand something like this.
Sample size is only 5,100. This is very small sample size. Even 1% people do not pose their faith in EVM, then also it should be discarded. 30 countries which once used to have voting through electronic voting machines, they have discarded. Even Trump has said many times that EVM is not trustworthy. Only through ballot paper elections should be conducted.
Let's now go across to my colleague Neha Hebale, who's joining us live right now for more on this. Neha, clearly, the survey, the findings of the this particular survey have given a lot of ammunition to the Bharatiya Janata Party to target the Congress and those in the opposition who literally have made vote chori as their narrative in every election. Now, the Congress party is of the view the sample size is too small. Could you just put things in perspective for our viewers as to how important this survey really is?
Well, of course, this year was the survey that was done now and being released by the Congress government at a time when allegations of vote chori, was probably one of the biggest issues that the Congress party and Rahul Gandhi had raked up last year as far as elections around the country are concerned. Remember, of course, the Karnataka chapter of the vote chori campaign of the Congress party began with a place called Aland in Kalaburgi, and that's where, we saw, of course, the manner in which the opposition across, the state of Karnataka, the BJP had then called this out and said that this was nothing but, just a mere allegation, that there's no actual proof to this. And now this survey here coming out suggesting somewhere that, yes, people indeed believe that elections were conducted in a free and fair manner, as far as, of course, post-Lok Sabha elections of 2024 are concerned. One thing, of course, that we'll really have to wait and see is the last, in fact, interaction, of course, that we had with the Congress party over the allegations of vote chori suggested that this is not something that's going to be dying down anytime soon.
Right. Thank you very much, Neha. Appreciate you joining us with your inputs on this particular story. Let's now move on and shift our focus